Hey realme fans! Let's learn today about realme coupons, starting with what exactly are realme coupons. Realme coupons are special codes which give you purchase privilege up to their value. So if you have coupon for 500 rupees, you can purchase products up to 500 or take advantage of 500 discount on your total cart value. You can use realme coupons on realme website or realme store app. First things first, where do you find these coupons? You can locate in SMS or messages section on your device. You might find some great codes waiting for you. Now, let's see how to use these coupons on the realme website. Visit the official realme website. Log in to your realme account. Click on Coupons. Select My Coupons. Here, you can add a new coupon by typing in the code you found. There you go. Your coupon added successfully. Here, you can also view your valid, used, and expired coupons. Next, simply click Use to apply your coupon to a product. After that, place your order after adding or checking your address. Prefer shopping on the go? Let's check out how to use coupons in the realme Store app. Download the realme Store app from Google Play. Open the app and tap Me to log in. Go to Coupons and enter your coupon code. Click Add to confirm. Your coupon is now added. To use it, just click Use when you're ready to buy. Another quick method? Select your product, tap Buy, and then apply your coupon code right there. Before we wrap up, here are some important points to remember. The coupon will be reinstated to the account if the order is cancelled due to a technical issue or a logistics problem, provided that the validity period has not expired. Please do not press the back button once you are on the order page, as this may result in order cancellation. Coupon cannot be applied if the product is already discounted. This means that if an item is currently on sale or has a promotional price, you will not be able to use an additional coupon on that purchase.